Good morning, everyone. So this is the follow-up to last night's market analysis of the spreadsheet. I do have the spreadsheet open. The market day has opened, and I have been a net seller of my short positions because the trigger points have gotten hit. So as you can see there on the screen, an 18.49% gain. It's 9:41, and I have other things to do. I've got appointments today, one at noon to look at an estate in Tecumseh, and one at 5 to look at an estate in Essex. I've got plenty of things to do today. Need to get off my butt and get away from the computer here and get out and do it. So a $2,000 day, I think that all of you would agree is a nice day. And it was just time. It's time. They're getting ready to cut the grass here. It's going to get loud here. It's Thursday. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's time. So I've sold out my Caterpillar shares, and let me show you why. Oh. Let's get up to Caterpillar here. Bear with me. Sorry about getting sick to your stomach here this morning. By the way, that guy, I'm in the wrong spot even here. Let's see where we're supposed to be here. The guy I hired for the business, like I said, really impressed the heck out of me the other day. And he and I are going to go out and do some work tomorrow too. So Caterpillar, remember we were projecting Caterpillar to drop to 275.04 in our mathematical model, 275.04. That becomes the unemotional trigger points to go and sell your short. So Caterpillar today, if we look at it, is currently trading 271.82. 271.82. It opened at 275. Now, yeah, we could have held our Caterpillar short, but the mathematical model at the time only gave us 275.04, so it was trading about 273, and I sold. Sold all 400 shares, took my massive gains there. Thank you very much. You got to take gains because keep in mind that options expire worthless. I'm up today. I'm going to take that gain today, and I'm going to go do some other stuff with it and say, woohoo, thank you very much. I'm way above my projection of where I need to be for the end of the year. Everything is moving exceptionally well. The spreadsheet's doing what it's supposed to be doing. I also sold my Amazon shares today. So Amazon, we were looking at a drop 132, and it could be deadly to 124. Now Amazon, if we punch it in here, $131. So it was time because we were expecting it to drop to 132. It's underneath that. It's 131 on its way to 124. I could always buy it back at some point in time. I just believe that when you're standing in front of Amazon, it could rally back at any time. I had a massive gain in Amazon percentage-wise. It was time to take it, so I took it. It's gone. Now, what's also interesting is I own Meta. Keep in mind with options, they're a completely different animal than the stock itself. The stock itself, you want it to run through multiple economic cycles. When you just trade the option, you're only trading a piece of paper. Right? So with Meta, we were expecting a drop under 295, on its way possibly down to 289, and it could rally as high as 311. Okay? Now, any market rally will drive Meta higher. It should, because Meta's a market leader. So I don't know if they're not going to turn this market around, find some money, borrow some money, do whatever they need to do to turn this market around. I don't know that. I just know that my price target is 295. So when I look at where Meta is trading at right now, if I punch it in, it's trading at 296.08 on its way down to 295. And it has been as low as 294.77. It's been as low as 295. But I was trading out these other things and missed that trade. So I still own my Meta short. I've got 200 shares Meta short. And at the time, if we look at this, I was positive 353. Now I'm positive 408. Is there any reason to go ahead and get rid of my Meta yet? It's still not trading down to 295. So I hold Meta. I've got a sell order on it. And for the day, I am up $2,100, 18.52%. And then I've got other business to go do. So it's time to get away from this computer, turn everything off, and have a good day. So thanks for following along. I realize that on my YouTube site, there is a lot for you to have to go through, but it's also a learning site about me, who I am, what things are important to me, how I go out and crush it every single day, how I do it without having a job to go to, by having licenses and designations in business units. The guy that I hired, I paid him $15 an hour. He's working part-time hours. He worked 8 hours for me. And I have already paid for his labor hours with profits off of my Etsy channel. He's brought me over $1,300 of sales since he started. And if my margins are running at $700, now by paying him $120, I only made $580, but that was $580 that I didn't have before. And then here I've got $2,100, and I've got 2 appointments today. And I've got one more closing coming up here for the end of the month. It's a good month. It's time to go out and do some other stuff. It's time to figure out what money's coming in October, because I just don't know that yet. When you own your own business, one of the risks is, how am I going to make money in October? And that's what I got to go do right now. Go figure out how I'm making money in October. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.